We're here at Martin Family Farm, Jeffrey Martin. Gonna be one of these home-raised heifers. Heifers gonna be right around the 600-pound range. They're all home-raised. They're all black. There are 2 smokies in the deal. If you like to make the load all black, you can. A real fancy set. These cattle have been double vaccinated. 2 rounds of Bovish Gold. They've had the 2 rounds of Vision 7 with spur, Somnus. They've had long range wormer. They're on grass here. They're getting hand fed just a few pounds of feed per head per day. Cattle will be picked up here at the farm, weighed on the farm with certified scales with a 2% shrink. These cattle were just weighed the other day. We're going to be real close on our weights. Jeffrey had 110 of these, went through, took out the top and the bottom. They're very uniform. These cattle are predominantly Angus. They're mamas. Most of the mother cows are 3/4 Angus, 1/4 Gelbvieh, bred back to Angus bulls, coming from Yon Family Farms. But a real nice set of home-raised heifers. Carrying just a medium grass flesh. Located here between Carthage and Goldston, just south of Siler City. These are all M1 cattle, medium flesh, home raised, being weaned well over 60 days. 2 rounds of Bovish Gold, 2 rounds of your Vision 7 with Somnus. They've had long range wormer. They have not been implanted. These cattle will be on the max November sale. They'll be picked up in November. But a real fancy set of home-raised heifers coming from Martin Family Farms, Jeffrey Martin, on the November max sale.